It was all started by India. What? Let me tell. And how my country Pakistan reacted in return. Let me explain to you today. Number 1. India orchestrated an attack on the Jafar Express in Balochistan with some of its own agents among the terrorists, and then broadcasted the footage on its media accusing Pakistan of terrorism, and then went on further by carrying out a celebration openly, thus creating a warlike atmosphere. Number 2. India put a baseless and flimsy accusation on Pakistan of the Pahalgam attack that took place back in April without any justification or evidence. Thus, while simultaneously withdrawing from the Indus Waters Treaty, thus calling Pakistan for an open war. Number 3. India launched airstrikes in 9 different cities of Pakistan, resulting in the deaths of almost 41 civilians using jets and drones. In contrast to this, Pakistan did not retaliate, but solely focused on defense, downing 5 of their jets, despite the loss of significant lives without any solid or justified reason. Number 4. Pakistan clearly conveyed to India not to mistake its peaceful disposition for weakness, emphasizing that my country Pakistan is united, resolute, courageous, and fearless nation that must not be underestimated. This is because we Muslims believe in the wordings of our God, الَّذِي أَطْعَمَهُم مِّن جُوعٍ وَآمَنَهُم مِّن خَوْفٍ. However, this clearly represents my country's entire stance before humanity, with justice, fairness, and clear evidence.